Is it the right time to buy or sell the VOO ETF? Welcome back. Today, we're delving deeper into the VOO ETF. We recently published an initial report on our website, but now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. To stay updated on all our insightful analyses, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. By doing so, you won't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Experience the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Lastly, please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 3, 2023, our system has identified VOO as a buy candidate with a score of 1.32. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 8.67%. This means it has delivered an average return of 0.17% per day since being labeled as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, which presents a potential buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $429.48 is broken, it could indicate a slower rate of rising and possibly a shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 14.85% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between 13.64% and 20.54%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 16.45% change over the next year. This indicates a potential return between 4.85% and 18.76%. In other words, the price range could be between $455.11 and $515.49 after a year. In our latest update on VOO, the ETF price closed at $434.07 on Wednesday, showing a decrease of 0.557%. On Wednesday, January 17, 2024, the VOO ETF price fell from $436.50 to $434.07, marking a decline of 0.557%. Throughout the trading day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 0.618%, reaching a low of $431.81 and a high of $434.48. While the price has fallen in 6 out of the last 10 days, it remains up by 0.01% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased by 304,000 shares during the last day, despite the falling prices. This could potentially indicate a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 6 million shares were bought and sold, with a total value of around $2.62 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $439.80, while the lowest price was $349.76. At present, the price is 1.3% or $5.73 below the 52-week high, and 1.63% or $7.19 below the all-time high on January 4, 2022, when the price reached $441.26. In this video, we will discuss the signals identified for the VOO ETF. On Tuesday, December 19, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the ETF has fallen by -0.94%. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume rose on falling prices, which could be an early warning. It is advisable to closely monitor the ETF in this situation. However, there are also some positive signals that may impact the near short-term development. The VOO ETF holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average, but at the same time, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. As the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the ETF, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. If the ETF continues to gain, it will face resistance from the short-term moving average around $436.50. On the other hand, if it falls, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $429.97. A breakup through the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown through the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Today, let's explore some interesting signals in the stock market. The moving average convergence-divergence indicator suggests a sell signal. Pivots also indicate a sell signal, which occurred 19 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger indicator shows a buy signal 19 days ago. The short-term moving average gives a sell signal just 2 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gives a buy signal 52 days ago. Looking at the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal 48 days ago. Now, let's take a closer look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average presents a sell signal 2 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average provides a buy signal 46 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 35 days ago. If you want to discover more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop-loss for VOO. When it comes to VOO, there's an interesting support level to consider. The accumulated volume at $433.78 suggests that this could be a buying opportunity. If the support is tested, we might see an upward reaction in the stock. It's worth noting that VOO tends to have controlled movements overall. With good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered to be very low. Looking at the recent data, the ETF moved $2.67 between its high and low in the last day, which is equivalent to 0.618% of its value. Over the past week, the average daily volatility for the ETF was 0.81%. Today, let's dive into potential day trading levels for VOO. If the market is on an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level for VOO at $435.07. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. For those who already own shares, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $433.78. If this support level holds, it could present a great entry point with the anticipation of a rebound. Today, we will discuss our recommended stop-loss for this particular investment. Based on our analysis, we have set the stop-loss at $420.36, which represents a decrease of 3.16%. This ETF exhibits low daily movements, indicating a lower level of risk associated with it. Furthermore, a sell signal was detected from a pivot top that occurred 18 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Although several signals and indicators are currently negative, we believe that this will have an impact on its short-term development over the next few days or weeks. However, in the long run, we see potential for a buying opportunity at the current price level, and anticipate that the price may rise by the end of this 3-month period. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Thursday, January 18th's trading, we expect VOO to open down by $0.617 and start trading at $433.45. Before we begin, it's essential to understand the risks involved in trading. Please note that trading carries a high risk of potential financial loss. It is strongly recommended to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Also, please be aware that StockInvest.us is not a basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome back to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock with you. We value your opinions, so please don't hesitate to comment below and share your thoughts. We are curious to know, what is your target for the ETF? Let's engage in a productive discussion. If you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Your support means a lot to us. Before we wrap up, we want to take a moment to wish you successful trading. May your investments bring you great returns. Have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.